everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore your old photo using AI. And here we're doing it with the Twin Face app. It's super easy, completely beginner friendly, and yes, you can use it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Twin Face app, and then if you don't have the app yet, you can simply go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will provide a free weekly credits package so you can generate AI results without paying anything. And then next, once you log in, you will be taken to the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on AI filter, this one. And then inside the AI filter page, just scroll or swipes until you find the training sections. This one, just tap on it. And then in the section, just look for the filter that called old photo or restored old photo restored. This one, just tap on it. This is the filter that we will use to restore. This is the filter we will use to restore and enhance your old picture. Your old pictures, perfect for vintage family photos, childhood pictures, or the image scan image. And then next, just choose your photo that you want to restore. And then after that, after selecting the photo, just simply tap on Animate. Okay, like this. Just a few moments, Dreamface will fix your photo. It will fix imperfections and then even sharpen the details, enhance the colors, and basically bring your old photo back to life using AI like this. I think the result, it looks super good. This restored version looks brighter, cleaner, and more detailed than original. And then next, if you like the result, just tap on download button. And okay, that's it, a super simple way to restore old photo using AI with Dreamface. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.